Here's a stat that should make every multifamily owner sit up in their chair. The typical owner has held their asset for a median of 6.2 years. Meanwhile, buyer demand has done nothing but gone up all year long. Let me show you some stats. Now, as you can see here, closed sales rose all year long from 27 sales in Q1 up to 40 sales in Q4 last year. That's clearly a market that's accelerating and not cooling. And like I said before, the median ownership is 6.2 years, which means there's a huge share of owners that are in that perfect window right now where selling is the right time. And if you think about it, that takes them back to 2020, 2021 purchases. So you have rising demand, and these short hold times creates the perfect combination for a really good seller's window. And as you know, those kind of windows don't stay open forever. So if you're near that 5 to 7 year hold period, knowing what your sale price right now is pretty important. So give me a shout or call your own broker, have a valuation done. I'll be straight up with you on whether or not it makes sense in this time period. Catch you guys on the next one.